You won't believe what this tiny seed can do to your body. It might just be the cheapest superfood you're ignoring right now, but your gut, heart, brain, and skin are begging for it. Ever wonder what would happen if you ate chia seeds every single day? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these microscopic seeds can cause massive changes to your body. Some of them almost hard to believe. And trust me, you'll never look at a smoothie the same way again. Let me take you back to something you've probably seen in a grocery store aisle. A little pack of black or white seeds, maybe labeled organic, sitting quietly next to flax seeds or hemp hearts. You might think, what could this possibly do for me? Here's the thing, those unassuming little chia seeds, they were once used by ancient Aztec warriors before going into battle. Why? Because they're that powerful. And now, we're rediscovering their magic in modern science. So what happens when you eat them every day? First up, your digestion. Chia seeds are packed with fiber. Just 1 ounce gives you 11 grams. That's nearly half of what most people need in a whole day. And it's not just any fiber, it's soluble fiber. When chia seeds hit water, they expand and form a gel-like coating. Pop them in your stomach and guess what? Same thing happens. That gel slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours. Which means fewer cravings, no sugar crashes, and your bathroom habits? Let's just say they become remarkably regular. You know that sluggish, bloated feeling after a heavy meal? Chia fights that. Its fiber content acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping through and cleaning you out in the best possible way. Now let's talk heart health. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, which is a plant-based omega-3. These healthy fats are known to reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Studies have even shown that regular consumption of chia seeds can help reduce blood pressure. One study from the British Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed chia daily had significant reductions in blood pressure compared to a control group. Translation: if heart disease runs in your family, chia seeds might be your new best friend. And speaking of inflammation, chronic inflammation is behind a lot of health problems. Joint pain, acne, fatigue, even cancer. Chia seeds are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Their high antioxidant levels help neutralize the free radicals that damage your cells and age your body faster. Antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin are all packed inside these tiny seeds. What about your brain? Omega-3s again. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and it thrives on good fats like the ones in chia. Eating them regularly can help support mental clarity, reduce brain fog, and even improve your mood. Some people even say their anxiety feels more manageable after adding chia to their daily routine. That's no coincidence. Omega-3s play a role in serotonin production, the feel-good chemical in your brain. All right, now let's look at energy levels. Remember how I said Aztec warriors ate chia before battle? There's a reason for that. The combination of protein, fiber, and slow-burning carbs creates a steady release of energy, not the kind that spikes and crashes. Think of it as putting logs on a fire rather than lighter fluid. A little goes a long way. If you're hitting a wall at 3 p.m. every day or dragging yourself out of bed in the morning, chia might just fix that. Now let's hit the big one that most people really care about: weight loss. Eating chia seeds daily might help you lose weight without trying too hard. Why? Because they help control appetite and blood sugar. That gel-forming fiber swells up in your stomach, keeping you full. And since they digest slowly, they don't spike your blood sugar. In fact, a study in diabetes care found that chia seeds helped lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Let's be real. Most of us aren't looking for a miracle. We just want a little help. Chia gives you that. Let's switch gears. You ever look in the mirror and feel like your skin's just tired, dry, dull, maybe even breaking out? Chia can help there too. Thanks to its omega-3s and antioxidants, chia helps hydrate your skin from the inside out. It fights inflammation, which is behind a lot of skin conditions like acne, redness, or eczema. It even helps boost collagen. Yeah, that protein that keeps your skin plump and smooth. Some people actually use chia seed oil as part of their skincare routine. but the real magic happens when you eat it. All right, time for a reality check. Because not everything is sunshine and smoothies. Let's talk about a common problem people face when they first start eating chia daily. Bloating, gas, weird stomach noises. Yeah, it happens. Here's why. If you suddenly jump from 0 fiber to 11 grams in one go, your gut's going to freak out a bit. It's like asking a couch potato to suddenly run a marathon. Not gonna end well. You need to ease into it. Start with half a tablespoon a day, then build up to 1 or 2 tablespoons daily. Also, hydrate. Remember, chia absorbs water. If you eat it dry, it'll absorb moisture from your body, and that can lead to dehydration or constipation. Always soak them in water, juice, almond milk, or add them to yogurt or smoothies. Now here's another problem people run into. Boredom. They buy a bag, get excited, use it twice, and then forget it in the back of the pantry. So how do you actually make chia a daily habit? Here's a tip. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Tie it to a habit you already do. Add a spoonful to your morning smoothie or oats. Stir it into yogurt, or make a chia pudding at night for a grab-and-go breakfast. Sprinkle it on toast, salads, even rice bowls. And here's a killer hack. Chia egg. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Boom. Vegan egg replacer for baking. Works like magic in pancakes and muffins. So now you've seen the benefits. You've heard the science. You know the problems to watch for. Here's the climax, the big takeaway. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're mighty. 1 tablespoon a day could keep your gut clean and regular, fuel your brain, lower your blood pressure, help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, boost your skin, and give you lasting energy without a sugar crash, all of that. From a seed that costs less than a cup of coffee. It's not a fad. It's not hype. It's just food. But it's the kind of food that quietly rewires your health, 1 spoonful at a time. So if you're looking for one small habit with a big impact, chia's it. But remember, habits only work when you keep them going. Start small. Be consistent. And within weeks, your body will start to whisper thank you in ways you never expected. And hey, next time you're standing in the kitchen wondering what to eat, maybe skip the snack drawer and grab a spoon. If you liked this, don't stop here. Watch the next video popping up to learn the 7 foods secretly ruining your gut health. If this helped you feel even 1% better, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.